I've always imagined a creative space, creating a creator space. Artists, I believe that art is what inspires us. It has inspired me in all its forms, in music and visual arts, writing, uh, cooking, upholstery, anything. The third space is something that is not your home and it's not your work. It's a place where you can go and meet people and learn and enjoy each other, collaborate, sing. It's your church, it's your community hall, it's your community center. It's a place where we have to gather. I don't know if you know, we have an art director coming to do a film in the station in the fall. We have a music graduate master's from Queens wants to come and do an installation in the barn. He's looking at that. So the third space is going to be a place of dinners. Don's going to do a drone workshop. It's a place of workshops. I'm going to call on any and all of you for skills or interests. You want to share something, you want to share a workshop together. I would like this space to be that third space. I finally got a name, and what it means to me is a place where we can come and we can go, including myself. I plan to come and go, plan to rent, I plan to stay, I plan to host, I plan to share. I don't feel that we really own anything in this world. We are here to facilitate, to resuscitate, to restore, and to appreciate before we leave. And it's our children that will benefit by what we do. So this sign represents a lot of deliberation over the last year. And I had the help from my brother, my eldest brother, who finally nailed it for me. We have both grown up with a father who has been very interested in railway. I grew up taking model railway as a child. So
That's beautiful.
So yeah, I want to make this a central location for people to gather and enjoy good food, good friends, companies, song, art, products. I feel like there's things to develop here that I don't even know what's coming. Stay open and ready for anything.
She has so much love for this community, and she's worked so hard, and she put her heart,
The mayor of
her
Tamworth.
whole heart into everything that she does, and her relationship with friends and her community. And she's done this whole thing. She's created this whole space. She's invited you all to celebrate this. And I hope that it's going to, this is the seed that will make her dream come true. And you guys are all invited, I think, to water that seed, So it's not just like a one night sort of thing. Pour your love and share her dream.
Okay.
So that's what I wanted to say.
Shed a primer and he looked inside.